Welcome to your quiz, Module 1, Integers. As you work through your test, please start, stop, and rewind this recording so that you may have an oral administration of your quiz. Number 1. Which names the opposite and absolute value of -9? A. -9, 0. B. 9, 0. C. 9, 9. D. -9, -9. Number 2. Which names the opposite and absolute value of 12? A. -12, 0. B. -12, 12. C. 12, +12. D. -12, -12. Number 3. 3 and -3 are A. Absolute values, B. Positive, C. Opposites, D. Negative. Number 4. Numbers within the same absolute value are A. Equal to 0, B. Always positive, C. Always negative, D. Equally distant from 0. Number 5. How would you use a number line to order integers from least to greatest? A. Graph the integers, then read them from right to left. B. Graph the integers, then read them from left to right. C. Graph the absolute values, then read them from left to right. D. Graph the absolute values, then read them from right to left. Number 6. 4 workers are repairing a bridge at these distances from the roadway. Worker 1, 7 feet below the roadway. Worker 2, 13 feet above the roadway. Worker 3, 13 feet below the roadway. Worker 4, at the roadway. Which shows the distance in order from highest to lowest? A. 0, -7, 13, -13. B. 13, -13, -7, 0. C. 13, 0, -13, -7. D. 13, 0, -7, -13. Number 7. The farther an integer is from 0, the blank its absolute value. A. Less. B. More negative. C. Greater. D. Opposite. Number 8. To represent the opposite of a loss of 5 points on the stock market, you could use A. -5, B. 0, C. 1/5, D. 5. Number 9. 5 chemistry students observed the following mixture temperatures. Student, mixture temperature in degrees Celsius. Alex, -5. Casey, 3. Gabriella, -4. Ernie, 5. Morgan, -1. Which shows the temperatures in order from greatest to least? A. -5, -4, -1, 3, 5. B. 5, -5, -4, 3, 1. C. 5, 3, -1, -4, -5. D. 5, 3, -5, -4, -1. Number 10. Roger's dog, Ty, lost and gained weight over a 6-week period. Week 1. Loss gain. Week 1 was a loss or gain of -3. Week 2 was a loss or gain of 2. Week 3 was a loss or gain of -4. Week 4 was a loss or gain of 1. Week 5 was a loss or gain of -2. Week 6 was a loss or gain of 0. Which shows Ty's weight changes in order from greatest loss to greatest gain? A. 2, 1, 0, -2, -3, -4. B. 0, 1, 2, -2, -3, -4. C. -4, -3, -2, 2, 1, 0. D. -4, -3, -2, 0, 1, 2. You have reached the end of your Module 1 Integers test. Please make sure that you have answered all questions. Do not forget to enter your test into DMAC. Please turn your test papers into your teacher once you have completed all of these tasks.